Have you ever thought about starting your day quietly with a walk in nature where you can recover from feeling overwhelmed, practice mindfulness, clear your head, and enjoy nature alone or with your furry friend? Know that walking in nature in quietness helps you to heal, and it helps you to have a good day, to feel calm and strong, to feel empowered, to feel courage, to do all the things that you have to do. I hope this short will help you. My name is Mariëlle, and please come with us on our walks and follow us. And if you like this, then subscribe to this channel and like this lovely short. Have a very lovely day.